Welcome to unboxing Gear4music's top of their own brand range of electronic drum kits, the DD480x. The packaging was neat, tidy and well labelled. The boxes came with numbers which coincided with instructions in the instruction book. The well-sequenced approach to putting together the drum kit aided a speedy construction. The drum rack is sturdy with well-integrated quality chrome cymbal stands. A drum key is used to tighten some of the brackets together, and the built-in keys twist to form a secure platform on which to place cymbals and drums. The whole rack, when not in use, can be folded flat. The cymbals go on next, followed by the drums, unpacked again in sequence. The drum shells have a black sparkle. The drum module is at the heart of any e-drum system, and the Gear4music module is no exception, with great sounds throughout the preset drum kits. The cabling is well labelled. Sometimes it is called a loom, with screw fittings to fit all the drums and all the triggers. With the addition of an amplifier or headphones, you're ready to start playing your kit in about 35 to 40 minutes. Good luck, you'll enjoy playing it for many, many years to come.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's big. But oh yeah.